Okay, so we're gonna go over the Summit Ring Filer and just kind of how I have it set up and how easy it is to use. First things first, when you get a dowel bore gauge on here, you're gonna want to put some spacers in the back, and it doesn't actually quite mount evenly. It's not the greatest as far as this reading 100%. It's very close, but it's not 100%. What you're gonna do, very first thing, get your drill set up, mount it to your table so it's flat and steady, and then to get a ring put in here, what you're gonna do is put this down here to where this touches inside here. Get this adjusted properly so that your face of the ring is at appropriate degree, it's flat. Then you're gonna clamp it down. Then you're gonna go up. From here, this spot, I already have it set to 0. So if I just back this up a little bit, go to 0, right there roughly. When I push this down, it'll go freely. If I start bringing it up, actually, see what I talked about, it's not 100%, but it's close. So just go here. You can hear it barely touch. So I'm gonna start, and then I usually just do 5/1000ths each cut, just taking small cuts until I get to where I need to go to. I know that I need to go to 30/1000ths to get the proper gap for this secondary ring. So we'll just start. So I'll go to 5/1000ths. And I like to go into it a little bit slow. Do another 5/1000ths. It helps if you take your measurement from right about here, not all the way out, just because it's not accurate. So if you come in here, back it to 10, that's actually 5. Then from there, the last thing you want to do is make sure that you deburr this edge. The edge has a bunch of burrs on it. So I just take a file gently, kind of just pull it back a little bit. Don't do anything crazy until you see the burrs gone. Like that, the burr is gone. Do the same thing on this edge, although it's usually not prevalent on this edge so much. Make sure there's nothing on the back side. Make sure on the front here, where the Napier ring lip is at, you kind of just round that over. You don't want any burrs when you're going to put this in the engine. It should look like that. And that's how you use the Summit Ring Filer.